Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Siluh Putri Diasri Putri Sunadi with the student number 146, and I will take an interview about my opinion about the weather around me. The weather around my hometown is very cold because it's already December, and in December it usually rains a lot. And whenever there's rain, there's usually a lot of thunder and a really cold temperature. So that's why in my hometown for now it's really cold because of the rain. However, if it's not raining and it's sunny, usually it's very hot. It's like really hot outside, and it's hard to go outside that long because it's not really comfortable to go outside for so long. About my favorite weather, I think it would be the rainy season. Because I like to look at the window and there's a lot of rain, and the view sometimes look really good, but sometimes it's not that good because of the thunder like that, because I'm not really comfortable around the sound of loud noises like thunders and a lot of loud noises that makes me really uncomfortable. Not only that, it's sometimes a bit cloudy outside. Another positive side is that the smell of the weather is really good. Like the smell uh from the ground from the rain is actually good because of the reaction of the rain from the ground. Do I like the weather in my hometown? I think so, because it's a 50-50. Like sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't like it, because sometimes I think the weather is quite nice here, but sometimes it's not that good and we cannot do anything at all. Like in the rainy season, we cannot dry our clothes at all, and it took so long for our clothes to dry up. And for the sunny season, it's sometimes it feel really uncomfortable to stay inside or outside without using an electric fan or AC inside because how hot it is. Do you like wet weather? Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. The reason why sometimes mostly I don't like it because of the trash around it. Because of the trash becomes wet and it makes me very uncomfortable. Not only because I don't like dirty places and I don't like uh, wet trash around at all. It makes me very sick and uncomfortable. But the wet season, I like just to see the rain. That's all the thing I guess I like. I don't know if I prefer wet weather or dry weather because both have the good and the bad thing. But I think I prefer the cold weather. I mean the wet weather because I just prefer the rainy season than the dry season or the hot weather. About dry season or season weather, I think most of the time I don't really like it because how hot it is and how hard it is to stay outside or inside, because I don't really like getting sweaty. But outdoor activity, I think it would be nice to have a hot weather, like going on a swimming pool or a water park, or having a water activity outside and having fun with the family. I think it would be nice to have it. Things I usually do in hot weather is sometimes I go out and uh, buy some of cold drinks, or like going on a water activity like swimming or just like that. or if I had to stay indoor, I usually just drinking some cold drink and using the the AC or the air condition or the fan like that. Just that. My favorite season, maybe winter. Even though in Indonesia we don't have any winter, I think I really like it because how pretty it is and it's like a heaven in the earth. And I wish I could go to somewhere in the country outside that has snow in it or like has winter in it. However, uh, like we can have a lot of activity like building a snowman and going on a fireplace to warm up and drink hot chocolate, and also like a lot of sport that has snow in it like skiing or sled, having a sled down the hill like that. Also there's a lot of good photo shoot on the snow, like we can make a snow angel and take a photo with it or make a snowman for ourselves. I think weather can affect people's mood because sometimes some people really want to do something on the sunny weather, but it's raining and it makes them upset. But someone really want to see their crop grow and it was raining and it makes them really happy because the crop got really watered well and they get really healthy. But when see people got really happy if they go to the beach, if there's a sunny weather and it was a really perfect day to go to the beach for them. Air pollution can also affect the weather because in the result of the climate, this population including greenhouse gases, as often referred to as climate forces. Ozone at the atmosphere warms the climate, while the different component of PM can have either warming, cooling, or effect on the climate. In my opinion, I think the weather can have significant impact in our mood or everyone else's mood because sunshine sometimes make people happy and rainy season makes everyone sad. Or maybe some people just doesn't like the sun and it makes them sad, and the rainy season makes them happy because the water and the noise they make. It's calming to hear the rains drop from the sky like that, and some people just like being in the sun because they like outdoor stuff. My example for some of the bad weather is like hurricane that has a lot of rain and there's a big wind coming from another place, and also it has lightning in it. But in another country there's like ice storm. No one can go outside at all because how cold it is, and everyone needs to stay inside and cannot do anything at all. Another thing, it's like flooding. Flooding is like there's the water from the rain got raised up way too big and a lot of water around the place, and people needs to be safe, or like a lot of mm, furniture got wet and it makes people upset too. And the last one is tornadoes. Tornadoes is like a high uh, tornadoes is like form into powerful winds, and sometimes it can destroy houses and anything it comes through if the if the tornadoes got really big. That's all for now. I am very sorry if my word isn't really clear, my speeches isn't really well, but that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.